What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of the Rad Skate Park check-in across NYC. I am Vincent Basile, Anthony Biondo behind the lens, like always. I also have my good friend Tristan and Gustavo. I believe this is episode 35, and we arrived at the River Avenue Skate Park, also known as 157, right here in the Bronx, New York. Yeah, we're right by Yankee Stadium, right across the street. Can't get much more New York than that. Let's go see what this park has inside. Come on. Oh, we're in the park. We're gonna walk down the gray brick road. As soon as you walk in, these boxes right in a row. 1, 2, and 3 boxes. And it's super loud here, guys. Check it out. Brings that ambiance to the Bronx. Check out these 3 fun boxes when you walk in. And then there's this long ledge right here. That's the longest ledge I've seen to date. There's this sweet manual pad I've been eyeing down. Grind on all 4 edges. So all you gotta do is just bring the wax and make sure it's greased up, but there it is. Check it out. I also have to speak loud because they got the music bumping, but at the end of the gray brick road, you have this pyramid right here and another train. We got this quarter pipe that just gradually gets smaller. So this is the perfect quarter pipe right here. I don't know. I like it. We have this area over here, all flat ground. Check out that spot behind me. It's just loaded with people chilling. We're probably not gonna skate that feature today. We're not ruining anyone's vibes here. Rad curved ledge, coping built right into it. You can hit it from this side, which is literally like a curb. It's so small. As you get better and progress, hit the other side. You wanna just give it a quick peek, see what it looks like? No, you don't? Oh, you saw it already. Check out this ledge and this ledge, this tiny baby ledge. You get on right here, and then, hey, you could get up that little kink. Gradually gets bigger down here. All right, check out this section right here. Curved area, got a built-in fun box. Hopefully you guys could hear me. Can you hear me? You got your big bank feature. Roll in. Big 6 stair right here, guys. Handrail with 2 hovers right next to it. All right, another train. And that's all I gotta say about that. Check out this bank right here. I'm like screaming at you now. I love Biggie Smalls. It should be big fun though. We're in the Bronx. Check this out. You don't usually see this in the park. Little wall ride connected to this big stair set that's connected to this big handrail. Little 4 stair, 3 stair. Hopefully you guys could hear me. Here's a better look of the street section. The ledge, the down fun box, 3 stair on both sides of the fun box. It's a bowl, probably less than 3 feet high, and it's got a bank right here. Looks like a really fun feature if you're trying to get your transition skateboarding in. Let's show you this hip right here, guys. Pretty steep if you ask me. Look at this nipple right here, right? Smack in the middle of the park. Catch some air, boost it. But I think that's the whole park. It's super loud in here with the trains, the music. We're gonna get to the clips at the River Avenue Skate Park. 157, y'all. All right, enough talking. I gotta skate, man. Get it.
your ass.
Stop playing. Yes, I was good. That's what I like to see.
Watch out, little man. Watch out, watch out.
I go to get drinks and now it's raining? Oh no.
Ground report, it's wet.
Well, yes, ground report, it's actually perfect here. No complaints. We're gonna wait it out though. We're not leaving just yet. You recording? You still watching? It's raining out. We had other stuff in mind, but nature has its way.
You can plan a picnic, but you can't plan the weather.
You said it, Anthony. Shout out to Tristan, shout out to Gustavo. Unfortunately, we're done. That's the park. We didn't really show you this feature though. Everyone was sitting on it before. That looks like a fun feature. This spot here. I'm not even lying. Yeah. It was literally loaded with people, but looking at it right here, this feature right here, particularly under the train tracks, looks rad. We'll have to come back here another time, but there you have it, folks. Follow our content on Facebook and Instagram, Rad Boardsport Co. Check out the website, www.radboardsport.co. We're out of here. We'll see you on the next episode. Ride all day. That concludes our episode here at the river. Look, River Avenue. It's a river.